Hello students, as we have completed the lesson A Gift of Three Chappals. In that lesson we have seen how cousins, they are Mrudu, Meena, Ravi and Lali, help the poor beggar by giving a gift of chappals. The lesson is very interesting. Now let's see another important point related to the grammar, that is use of if. We are going to see. Now see on your screen there are some examples there are some examples and in sentences in that we are going to use now if. Now let's see. Working with language, read the following sentences. See the first sentence I'm going to read. If she knows we have a cat, Pati will leave the house. See the first example. If she knows we have a cat, Pati will leave the house. Second example, she won't be so upset if she knows about the poor beggar with sores of his feet. Third, if the chappals do fit, will you really not mind? Notice that each sentence consists of two parts. See, just I have read examples. See, there are two sentences. Now see, notice that each sentence consists of two parts. The first parts begin with if. It is known as if clause. See, in these sentences we can see that there are two parts of the sentences, and the first part begins with if she knows. Then if the chappals do fit. Then see the first part begins with if. It is known as if clause. In Marathi I am going to explain now. See, if she knows we have a cat, Pati will leave the home. if means जर तिला कळालं की आमच्याकडे कॅट आहे, शी विल लीव द हाऊस, ती घर सोडून निघून जाईल. देन शी वोंट बी सो अपसेट इफ शी नोज अबाउट द पुअर बेगर द सोर्स ऑफ हिज फीट. जर तिला कळालं की बेगरच्या जखमांच्या बद्दल, त्याच्या पायाला झालेल्या इजांच्या बद्दल ती अपसेट होणार नाही. सी, इफ मीन्स जर तर. नाउ this is called a if clause. See, if is used in the sentences and it is called a if clause. Rewrite each of the following pairs of sentences as a single sentence. Use if at the beginning of the sentence. See, now examples are given. We have to solve it. Now we have to use if. See, at the beginning we have to use if. See the first sentence, walk fast, you will कॅच द बस. वॉक फास्ट, जोरात वेगामध्ये चाल, जोरात चाल, यू विल कॅच द बस, तुला बस मिळेल. इफ यू वॉक फास्ट यू विल कॅच द बस. जर तू पटपट चाललास तर तुला बस मिळेल. इफ यू वॉक फास्ट. सी, वॉक फास्ट, जोरात चाल, फास्ट चाल, यू विल कॅच द बस, तुला बस मिळेल. इफ यू वॉक फास्ट, जर तू जोरात चाललास तर यू विल कॅच द बस. डोंट स्पीट ऑन द रोड, यू विल बी फाईन. रोडवर थुंकू नको, थुंकू नये, यू विल बी फाईन, तुम्हाला फाईन बसेल. इफ यू स्पीट ऑन द रोड. सी, इफ इज यूज्ड हिअर. इफ यू स्पीट ऑन द रोड यू विल बी फाईन. जर तू रोडवर थुंकलास तर तुला फाईन बसेल. डोंट टायर युअर सेल्फ नाव, यू वोंट बी एबल टू वर्क इन द इव्हिनिंग. सी, डोंट टायर युअर सेल्फ नाव, यू वोंट बी एबल टू वर्क इन द इव्हिनिंग. इफ यू टायर युअर सेल्फ. See, if you tire yourself now, you won't be able to work in the evening. Then next example, study regularly, you will do well in the exam. See, if you study regularly, नियमित अभ्यास कर, you will do well in the examination, तुला चांगले मार्क्स मिळतील. If you study regularly, you will do well in the examination. Then work hard, you will pass the examination in the first division. Work hard, खूप प्रयत्न कर, खूप कष्ट कर, you will pass the examination in the first division, तुला फर्स्ट रँक मिळेल. If you work hard, you will pass the examination in the first division. Be polite to people, they will also be polite to you. If you are polite to people, they will also be polite to you. Then last one. Yes, I think the sentences are over now. See, so the word now we have used if. If means जर किंवा तर. जर आपल्याला एखाद्या कंडिशनबद्दल सांगायचं असेल किंवा कंडिशन ठेवायची असेल, जर तू हे केलंस तर ते तसं होईल, At that time we can use if. Then see on the next question, fill in the blanks in the following paragraph. See, yes, fill in the blanks in the following paragraph. See, in bracket the words are given and we have to use them in a today is Sunday. I am wondering whether I should stay at home or go out. If I see, if clause is there, if I go out, जर मी बाहेर गेलो, I will miss the lovely Sunday. See, I will miss the lovely Sunday lunch at home. If I stay home, see, if I stay for lunch, I will miss the Sunday film showing at Archana Theatre. I think I will go out and see the film only to avoid getting too fat. See, here again we have to use if clause. See, if condition, it shows the condition. Then next one, complete each sentence below by appropriately using any one of the following. See, if now we have to use if you want to, or if you don't want to, or if you want him to. See, these are the three options we have to use in the given sentences. Don't go to the theater. Theaterला जाऊ नको. Don't go to the theater if you don't want to. जर तुला जायचं नसेल, see, if you don't want to, I have used here if you don't want to. See, once again I am going to explain. Don't go theater. थिएटरला जाऊ नको. if you don't want to, जर तुला जायचं नसेल तर तू जाऊ नकोस. he will post your letter. तो तुझं लेटर पोस्ट करेल. he will post your letter. See, if you want him to, जर तुला हवं असेल तर. See, he will post your letter. तो तुझं लेटर पोस्ट करेल. if you want him to, जर तुला हवं असेल तर. then please use my pen. See, please use my pen if you want to. जर तुला हवा असेल तर तू माझा पेन यूज करू शकतोस. प्लीज यूज माय yes, or he will lend you his umbrella. he will lend you his umbrella if you want him to. जर तुला हवी असेल तर तो तुझा हवी असेल तर तुला तू त्याचा umbrella देईल. my neighbor Ramesh will take you to the doctor. See, my neighbor Ramesh will take you to the doctor if you want him to. जर तुला वाटत असेल त्यानं न्यावं तर रमेश तुला डॉक्टरकडे घेऊन जाईल. डोंट इट इट इफ यू डोंट वॉन्ट टू. खाऊ नकोस. डोंट इट इट, हे खाऊ नकोस जर तुला खायचं नसेल तर. इफ यू डोंट वॉन्ट टू. See students, in this way we have seen some examples of the if clause. If shows the condition. In this way we have finished the whole exercise. Okay, thank you.